Hi, AT from CNC at Home. A few weeks ago, we made this 4-leaf clover, and it's something that I said somebody could paint in or color, that sort of thing. And I didn't do it in the video. I wasn't planning on doing that. But as the luck of the Irish would have, look what showed up in the mail. Check it out. This is from Yisan, and it's paint pen marker things. So I thought we could open this up, take a look at what it comes with, maybe do a little drawing on the 4-leaf clover. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. As full disclosure, these were sent to me by the manufacturer. I will put a link down in the description below if you want to get these. And they did send them to me for free, kind of as a review sort of thing. I normally don't do this sort of thing. In this case, I had a great use for it. Let's get these over on the table and start doing some coloring. Okay, let's get this container opened up. Package, envelope, whatever it is. Take a look at what's inside. Oh, look at that. Let's get these pulled out. Okay, one at a time maybe. Wow, these look really nice. Well, that's quite a rainbow of colors here. Now the cool thing about these is each of these markers has two tips. There's a brush tip and then a fine tip. These will be kind of cool to work with. I don't think we need a running commentary on this, so I will get this into fast motion here and we'll get some coloring going on. Well, that was fun. These markers are actually pretty cool. The tip is somewhat flexible, so you can get just a super fine line with it, or you can get a nice fat juicy line. So somebody who actually knew what they were doing could probably do really well. This back side is kind of neat. It's just a super fine tip. It didn't work well for this project because the grain of the wood kind of grabs the tip and made it difficult to work with. The remarkable thing about the paint side or the brush tip is how fine of a line you can actually get with it. If you're just careful and get the tip of that, you get really nice control. All in all, I really like these markers for that. The brush side is really cool. If I were writing or doing something that needed the finer tip, this is really kind of neat to have that really fine tip on there. I know this video is a little different. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing. If you like these pens, the link is down below. Go ahead and check them out. They're not that expensive, and there's a good variety of them. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.
Oops.